How's it, guys? It's Wade here from MayerFX. I'll be doing my weekly analysis on US30 GU and GJ. You guys can currently see we are on US30 on the daily time frame. You guys can see we have formed nice high highs and high lows, as well broken levels of resistance to retest on support. So what I'll be looking for this week is that this continuation in this bullish trend, wait for resistance to break, retest on support, and then continue this bullish trend that you guys can see on US30. That's what I would see, and that's my trade that I might be taking this coming week. If price does reject, obviously you guys would know that we'll wait for this level of support to break, retest on resistance, and continue down. But for now this week, only buy trades for me, unless the market does something else. Yeah. But anyway, let's go to GU. Guys, you can currently see as well on GU, we on the daily time frame, and we have broken levels of resistance to form another level of support. So you guys can see everything wrong. Yeah. There is another level of resistance forming there, but we have broken these levels of support. So hopefully what we can see this coming week is a continuation to the upside with the bullish momentum. If not, clearly I'll wait for levels of support to break, retest, form on resistance, continue the downtrend. As for now, I'm only seeing buy trades on GU. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on GU for this coming week. As well, for me to clearly see that I am be moving and taking buy trades, I'll wait for these levels of resistance to break, come back down, support, and then I'll take buy trades from there on out, depending where the market opens. So we'll have to see. Well, we'll have to see. Let's go to GJ. As you can see on GJ, we're on our daily time frame. What's worrying over here is that we are hitting levels of resistance on our daily time frame. But as you can see, not on our 50 on our time frame, for me to see the continuation for this uptrend, as we have broken levels of resistance here, so there is a possibility that we might still see a continuation in this bullish trend. So what I'll be waiting for is a nice retest or a break of resistance. You guys can see there, nice break of resistance. Then just to form a nice retest on support, and then as well continue with this bullish momentum to the upside. But yeah, if the market does reject the zone because of that daily time frame, for me to continue sell trades, if there is, I'll wait for this level of support to break, as well retest on resistance, and then continue to the downside. So yeah, for now, I'm only looking for buy trades on GJ, as well as GU and US30. So guys, I hope you have a fantastic week. That is my analysis for this week. Thanks, guys. Hope we all make money this week. Enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.